Yeah, we're doing this again. A lot of you might recognize me as Kevin. I'm the owner of the Turbo IS300 or Boosted Lexi. You'll see a lot of that car on this channel. A lot of that car out at the track, having fun. But we're doing something a little different today. Usually when the trailer gets hooked up to the truck, we're either taking the Lexus out racing, or Austin and I are buying something that we have absolutely no business buying. And today, we're buying something that we have absolutely no business buying. My fiance actually found a lead on a car that I've been trying to buy for the longest time. Been looking for a car that pretty much I just go out, have fun, beat up, destroy, and really just don't care about. And she found me one. This is actually what she found me. A 2008 Crown Vic Police Interceptor. Has 180-some thousand miles. Technically runs and drives. Not quite sure how well it runs and drives, but it runs and drives. We're going to do a lot of things. The one thing that we are really trying to do with it is we are going to try to take it on the 2500 for 2500 road trip. Unfortunately, the time off of work and everything might be a little difficult for me, so I'm not 100% sure if we're going to be able to make it, but here she is. She's not perfect by any means. Bump bar still's on there, everything's good. Someone got a little angry while they were getting handcuffed, but that's okay. She's overall decent condition. Let's take a look on the inside. Let's see what she looks like. It is your typical police car. Smells absolutely terrible. Holy crap, smells terrible. I don't think the inside has been cleaned in probably 5 or 6 years, but has the full cage, everything back there. Let's see if this works. Oh, would you look at that, y'all? It does work. Full cage and everything. Plastic seats. Wouldn't want to be back there. So let's see if she starts. Step 1. Let's see if we can get her to start. Oh, looks like she's got a little bit of power. Oh, nothing. All right, let's get a jump box and see what we can do. So, got the jump box hooked up. There she is, the legendary 4.6 liter V8. These things are pretty darn tough. They take a beating. Hopefully this one is ready to take another beating. Let's see if we can get it to start with the jump box, or else we might have some other issues. So let's see what happens. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. She started with the jump box. It is up and running. Big old puff of smoke came out the back. No big deal. No big deal. She purrs. She purrs like a kitten. 180,000 miles and she's still going. So we're gonna get her loaded up on the trailer and get her back to Austin so he can see this glorious purchase. Did I make the right decision? God, I hope so. All right, well, we made it back out here to Lucore. Austin is very excited to see this.
I'm excited and terrified.
Yeah, as you saw, we had a few issues at the lot getting it started. Maybe the battery charged, maybe it didn't. If it didn't, we're just gonna kind of give it a nudge off the trailer and see what happens. So this is Austin's first time seeing it. So let's let him get a good look at the back end of it here. By the way, I like to point out that this is significantly longer than the Lexus because it takes up the whole gosh darn trailer. And here we go.
Oh, yeah!
There it is. The Police Interceptor. We did find out that this was actually a CPD, Columbus Police Department Freeway Patrol vehicle.
Yeah, freeway patrol.
So yeah, it's a nice little car.
So did you Dukes of Hazzard it to get in it?
Yes, it was a very Dukes of Hazzard style because, as I said, it is significantly larger than the Lexus.
It's still got the cage in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has.
Still got the hard rear seat.
Nice.
It has.
Oh, yeah.
It's got the
Still
vomit
puke
bag.
seat. Yeah.
Nice.
It's
You've still got the A-pillar light, too? I might have to buy this off you. Because I kind of need it for the Impala.
Well, there you go.
Why's it got an extra ECU in here?
I don't know. I really don't.
Now, I will say, if you're going to be trying to road trip this for the 2500 and thinking about sleeping in your car, you are going to be the worst comfortable person. Because these seats do not recline because of the divider wall.
Yes, there
You are
is.
certainly not sleeping in the back.
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to get out.
No.
Crawl through the center window. Oh, you can actually open the window.
From the outside.
From the outside. They do not open from the inside.
Don't be that guy.
Oh man, we're gonna have to have some fun with that. First person to get drunk and pass out wakes up in the back of the cop car.
Where's the key?
I got it right here.
Yeah, breaks away.
So,
Break away.
shove the key in there and see if we can get it to start without a jump box.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it doesn't. I like your keys. Those are nice. Those are official.
Been repainted a time or two.
Almost.
Wow.
Almost.
Yeah, I don't think she's gonna do it there, Captain.
It's alright. We'll get her pushed out and put a little jump box to it and we'll get it started.
It's really not that bad, man.
For $357.16,
I would make this dumb decision at least 3 times.
You really can't beat this.
I would buy this at least 3 times. For $1,000, I would buy 3 of these.
I love that it's fully lined in plastic and it's got holes so you can just
Hose it out.
hose it down.
Yep. It's when you throw up on your way to the drunk tank.
Can you tell I haven't been in the back seat of a...
I was gonna say, Rich, how do you know the back seat of a cruiser?
Not too well.
Oh, still got the push bar on the front.
Oh, it's got the push bar? That's worth $360.
Yeah, still got the push bar on the front. Still got the wire, the power connector on the front.
I believe all you need is an actual police system and you can hook the siren and everything up to that hook and it will work perfectly.
Looks like the push bar is a slight bit off center.
Well, they always are. Heck yeah! I love that you strapped it down with a loose, like...
No, don't give us
Strap.
shit strap.
Really? Did you think that would do something, or
No.
was that just for giggles?
That was just for giggles. That was like...
Strap down.
No, that was the... You know what? It is 92 degrees out here. I'm
Yeah.
already sweating.
And like 105 in
I'm
there.
just gonna get in and hope that it doesn't move.
It's really a good thing you didn't have to come to a fast stop.
No.
Well, the
because
car
this-
would have ended up in the back of your truck.
Because this would have been in the bed of your truck. Ask me how I know.
Dude, I love this. Alright, so you gotta get in this thing and we'll push it out.
Alright.
No, it's staying in the trailer.
We'll push it back in the trailer.
So, it's a little big than the Lexus, so this is how you kind of have to get in.
Maybe weld the doors. That'll be the only way
I'm
you get
totally welding the doors shut on this.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a general.
this is what
We're
I'm
gonna
up
put a
against.
general E flag on the top too.
I bought this car for myself. The problem is I'm going to come back to pick it up in a few weeks, and it's not going to be the car that I recognize.
It's gonna have been modified.
Shit, who's got the key? Oh,
Hey, get back out!
come on, man.
Get back out and get the key. It's got brakes, right?
Barely.
All right, just check.
You're gonna hit something, hit the Volvo.
Well, I got the brakes pretty well squished, so I'm hoping.
Yeah, it's got brake fluid in it.
Yeah, I mean, that's brakes and it's not stopping, so.
Yeah, well, your brake fluid's all right here.
Your brake fluid's all over the floor. Heads up, car coming in.
Okay, so I got my foot on the parking brake. Just gonna let it roll. Is everyone coming in?
I think you're safe, fish.
Okay, give it a little nudge.
Oh, let's go.
Parking brake's not working either.
Well, that,
She's a beaut, Clark.
that explains why it's got a PCM sitting in the driver's seat. It's got a brand new PCM in it.
That's worth the $300.
Got a Ford battery in it.
It needs some brake lines.
Uh-huh.
All of them.
Awesome.
That's not a big deal. What is this? Show me. Control,
Probably light
override,
controls.
positive,
That's
red
lights.
light, yellow. Ah. There's gonna be lights on this thing eventually.
Yeah.
You actually got even decent tires on the thing.
Yeah, so the guy before daily drove it as it is before trading it in and buying a new vehicle.
New to him.
New to him, yes. And this is what he daily drove for about 45 to 50,000 miles.
Wow.
How he got it, those 40 to 50,000 miles, I don't know, but yeah.
I mean, this is a beaut, Clark.
It's got 2 matching tires up front, and then the 2 in the back are completely different.
It's all right.
So three different types of tires.
That's okay. They're all roundish.
Yeah.
Probably could use some suspension.
Nah.
You're all right.
Nah. Gonna just give it a roll.
I love the cage that doubles as a roll bar.
Does it actually though?
All right, Kevin. Get in the back.
No, I'm not stupid. This is I know what I buy. And
Take these off and have access to it.
then you cannot, you can't switch it.
Oh, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. See, it's got the puke seats in the back. Yeah, buddy.
You can take the plastic panels off and you'll be able to actuate the rods from inside.
I like it.
Start number 2. Oh, you gotta put it in park.
It's not horrible.
Yeah.
A little knockety right on that first fire up, but whatever.
It doesn't do too bad.
Go straight to wah!
They said they weren't too excited about this, but I think they're very excited.
Need to fix a cigarette lighter.
And a radio. There's no radio. It runs decent. It runs fairly decent.
David Harris.
I could say $350 well spent. So there you have it. The newest addition to the 2500 road trip. $350 Crown Vic Police Interceptor. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. See how this trip goes, and we'll keep you updated with what we do to it and what we need to fix. Thanks.